My name is Greg Little. I'm with Hayden Outdoors. Today we're at the Saruche Canyon Ranch. Lower Sangre De Christos, you're very blessed with an abundance of wildlife. We have the black bear that comes in all four phases. It has been managed and totally set up for trophy bull elk, Rocky Mountain bull elk, as well as mule deer well over the 200-inch mark. We documented those this morning when we were out on the ranch. Saw a very nice drove of bucks. Ponderosas, pinyon pine, numerous end-to-end water sources. Even through a dry year, I'm looking at feed that's almost up to your waist here. This custom log home, approximately 3,600 square foot. It is about 1.5 miles into the ranch, so it's tucked right in, very private, has views of the Twin Peaks, but does not interrupt your hunting. And then you have an absolute sanctuary of 5,000 plus acres that absolutely surrounds you on every side. Saruche Canyon is about as good as it's going to get.